supposed to happen? $601. Let's just keep going. 602. No, what do you mean no? I mean, it has to break eventually. 603. 604. What the fuck? That's so scary. That's so creepy. What the
Is it
heck?
exploding yet?
So it
Ew,
opened.
Ew. It looks... Ew.
I know.
Its scuffed cores, the rubber bands are off center.
Oh, is that why? Whatever, it's too late. What, should we redo it? Type 1 if we redo it. Also, what is this now? 600 what? I don't remember. I think I did it wrong.
Now you're doing everything right.
Oh, thank you. Yes, restart. Okay, it's 607 now. No way.